I'm Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar. Today, I will guide you through Streamstar's JVC PTZ camera presets and PTZ group presets. This advanced functionality allows complete control of JVC PTZ cameras and automates the use of presets to such a degree that a single operator can control comprehensive camera operations remotely, over IP, directly from Streamstar's user interface. The operation is easy to learn, easy to use, and allows for a one-person workflow. It is a very unique functionality which was developed in close collaboration with JVC as partners of Streamstar. If you're the lucky owner of a JVC PTZ camera, prepare to be beamed up to a live production galaxy where no man has gone before. So beam me up, Scotty. Access the camera control module by clicking on the camera control tab in the settings area menu. Select the Vision Mixer channel 1 through 8, where you'll be using the PTZ camera. In the Camera Control pane, under the IP Connect tab, in the Camera Control section, use the drop-down menu to tell the system whether to control a JVC camera or an NDI camera. In the next column, under Network Devices, use the drop-down menu to select a JVC camera you want to use and fill in your login credentials in the fields provided below. Click the Connect button in the next column to establish a connection. At bottom, you can choose if you wish to use the on-camera recording light as a tally light. In the Streaming Settings tab, you can set up the PTZ camera streaming parameters if you are going to use the camera streaming signal. When done, press Apply Changes, and after that, start streaming. Once the camera is streaming, press Set as Input at the bottom right. Now, the PTZ camera stream appears in the live camera preview in Streamstar's user interface, and it can be used in your live production. In the Cam Control tab, you can view all available control elements of the connected camera. Camera control is a topic of a separate tutorial, but since our focus today is on PTZ camera presets, let's go right to the PTZ tab. Here, you can control the pan, tilt, zoom presets, and focus settings to set up your shot. When ready, go to the PTZ tab to create a PTZ camera preset at the current settings. In the Preset section, press the Set button, and right after, press one of the P1 to P14 slots to save the preset. Should you choose a slot with a preset already saved, it will be overwritten. Press any of the created presets, P1 to P14, and the PTZ camera will immediately move to the selected preset. Now, go to the Group Presets tab to combine the PTZ camera presets into groups, which allows you to control several PTZ cameras at once. On the left of the pane is a grid of PTZ group preset slots named G1 to G14. On the right is the PTZ cameras and presets pairs grid. To create a group preset, press G1 in the Group Presets grid. It highlights in light gray. In the right section of the pane, click on the camera and then on the preset to create a camera and preset pair. Create the next camera and preset pair as before. When all camera and preset pairs are done, press the large Save button at the bottom right to store the G1 PTZ group preset. Above the Group Presets grid, you can type in a name or a short description for each group preset so you can quickly identify it. At the bottom, there is a table displaying an overview of all camera and preset pairs used in each group preset. To recall a preset, click on any of the G1 to G14 buttons in the Group Presets grid and press the Move button. All cameras in the PTZ group preset will move to their respective presets at once. Please note that any PTZ camera that is currently in live PGM will not be moved by the group preset that was recalled. This is a precaution measure not to destroy your live shot. It will only move after it is taken off live PGM. Now that we've covered all about creating camera presets and group presets, let's talk about their use in a real live production situation. Here again, Streamstar's speed and ease of use really excel. With Streamstar's innovative user interface, operating the PTZ camera presets and group presets is a breeze. Pushing a single button will change your entire multi-camera setup instantly and allows you to cover even the most difficult live production situations. Once a JVC PTZ camera is connected to the Streamstar system, the PTZ Control and the PTZ Groups buttons in the top main menu become active. Their location may vary slightly, depending on your software license. Streamstar's user interface is designed to always make the best use of the available desktop space. Pressing PTZ Control reveals two buttons superimposed in the camera preview monitors of those channels in which a PTZ camera is used. They allow quick access to the PTZ camera presets without having to open the camera control module. The first button reveals all PTZ camera presets created for the PTZ camera used in this channel. Clicking one immediately executes the preset. The second is a hotkey that opens the PTZ camera presets tab in the camera control module for immediate access. Pressing PTZ Groups in the top main menu reveals two buttons superimposed in the PGM monitor. The first reveals all PTZ Group presets created. Select the Group Preset button. The name and description of the group preset is displayed, so you are assured of your selection. To execute the group preset, press the Move button to instantly recall all presets of all PTZ cameras within the selected group preset. The second button is a hotkey that opens the PTZ Group Presets tab in the camera control module for immediate adjustment if needed. This advanced functionality enables you to make major camera configuration changes in a split second at a push of a button. In professional production situations, when PTZ camera operators are available, the Streamstar system fully supports JVC hardware PTZ camera remote controllers. PTZ camera control parameters and all presets created in the controllers instantly translate to the Streamstar software and vice versa for a smooth remote camera operation. Using Streamstar with JVC PTZ cameras, a whole new world of production possibilities is at your command. It will greatly expand your production capabilities and elevate your live streaming productions to a professional broadcasting level. Please check out our other videos and learn more about Streamstar by visiting our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.